Hey everyone, welcome back. If the NAB app is not opening at all, first start by restarting your phone. Then check your internet connection and make sure that your device is not on the battery saver or low power mode, as this can block app from launching. Then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. After that, go to your app store, search for the NAB app, and then make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so always update it. Then, if the app still does not open, go ahead and uninstall the app. After uninstalling it, go to the app store again and then reinstall the app. After that, if the issue continues even after reinstalling your phone software may need an update to support the current app version, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.